Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through the complete Gelato print-on-demand experience for Shopify, from installation to your first fulfilled order. First, let's install the Gelato app from the Shopify App Store. Shopify will ask for permissions so Gelato can integrate with your store. Review the permissions. Gelato needs access to your products, orders, and storefront to provide print-on-demand fulfillment. Alternatively, you can also do this from the Gelato dashboard. Log in or create a Gelato account. This is your Gelato dashboard. From here, you can create products, manage orders, and monitor your store's activity. Gelato offers a wide range of print-on-demand products, from apparel and accessories to wall art and home goods. To access the Gelato app on the Shopify page, click Stores, then connect Shopify. It leads you to the page we started on. And you're all set. Let's see how easy it is to add a product to your store. We'll select a t-shirt for this example. Upload your design, customize variants like size and color, and preview mockups. Gelato generates professional mockups automatically, making your products look great in your store. Continue to details, where you can create a title, description, and decide if you want to attach a size table in your Shopify store. Once you're all set, continue to prices, where you set retail prices either individually or for all variants. You can see what Gelato charges for production, the shipping costs, and the estimated profit. Set your margin to maximize profit. This transparency helps you price competitively while maintaining healthy margins. Once you're happy with it, continue to review, where you can see all your product's details, estimated profit, and delivery regions. You're now ready to click Publish. Gelato syncs the product directly to your Shopify store, complete with images, descriptions, and variants. Now let's check your Shopify admin to see the product we just synced. There it is, all the details, mockups, and everything you just did with Gelato. Now, if you click on any variant, you can change the display prices, such as an on-sale price. Change the price to your preference and save. Let's simulate a customer purchase by creating a test order. Here's your product page, complete with high-quality mockups and variant options. Gelato's app widget integrates seamlessly, allowing customers to see real-time product information, such as price changes when selecting a size or quantity. Everything works smoothly, giving your customers confidence to complete their purchase. Once the order is placed, it appears in your Shopify Orders dashboard. Open the order details and you'll see the Request Fulfillment button. Clicking this sends the order directly to Gelato for production and shipping. Fulfillment is automated, so you can focus on growing your business. That's the complete Gelato experience on Shopify. Ready to start your print-on-demand business? Sign up to Gelato today and start selling high-quality custom products with zero inventory. If you have questions, contact us by visiting support.gelato.com. Thanks for watching.